I have my miles per gallon, right? And now I want to print out how efficient it is. So what am I going to compare? How would I do this? Is my miles per gallon high, average, or low? I'm going to compare,
And if miles per gallon is greater than or equal to something or greater than whatever number you decide is
we'll just say 100.
100, that's high efficiency.
Yeah, that's very high efficiency. And like we've done before, we're just going to print out high efficiency. Now, when you make decisions, Sean and Owen were talking about this earlier, a good way to do it is start from the highest or start from the lowest and eliminate. Because now that we've determined if it's over 100, we never have to test above 100 again because we've eliminated it. So now we just have to worry about medium average fuel efficiency. And we'll just say that average fuel efficiency is, well, my car gets 23 miles per gallon. Let's say average fuel efficiency is 50. Yeah, probably it's more like 35, wouldn't it be? Maybe, I don't know. We're just making up stuff. So we print out low efficiency. Oh, medium, right?
Average, what was it?
Oh, average. Yep, I think it was. Average efficiency. Efficient. I have been having trouble spelling efficiency. ICIENCY. There we go. And we've eliminated now 35, clear up to gazillions of numbers. We don't have to do anything else. At this point, everything else is going to be 34 and below. Oh, look what I did here. There. Because there's only going to be one. It's either going to be high efficiency, average efficiency, or low fuel efficiency.
So else low efficiency or
yeah, we could do else if and test explicitly, meaning we could test for less than 35, but we don't need to because we've already eliminated everything else.
Then anything else or just you would just print.
Everything else has to be 34 and below.
Yeah.
There's no other choices. Because that's how computers think. And actually, that's how most numbering works. Oh, I forgot my period there. There. So there's our challenge, which is exactly the same kind of decisions we've made before. It's the same kind of decisions we're going to make in the future. We'll make a lot of these decisions. Because if your program doesn't make decisions, it's going to be very boring because it's going to do exactly the same thing every time. And very rarely in a program does it give you the same answer every time, does it? No. You get different things depending on the condition. Just like weather. If it's cold outside, I wear my stocking cap. Like Eliza, right?
Yep.
I wear my stocking. If it's cold outside, I wear my stocking cap like Eliza is wearing it. If it's medium, I'll wear my farmer's hat like Sean has, or baseball cap. If it's sun shining and 70 degrees, I won't wear a hat at all. But I can't do any of those at the same time. I'm either wearing a hat or I'm not. I'm either wearing a baseball cap or I'm not, right? That's how computers make decisions. Either it is or it isn't. That's our choices. And that's what if statements and decision making is about. Either it is or it isn't.